Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Yeah,
It's broke.
it is.
Is yours?
No, it's James Mills.
Do you know what's in here?
It's FI 4.12 Neo 18s on 2 salt plus.
Are they 11.11s or 12s?
0.12. But
12.
they're one-offs. They're the eggs instead of
Okay. Very nice. What's the box tuned to, you know?
I don't know that.
I wonder what that is. The port removal piece.
That's for the fuel pump.
Oh, that's a good idea to think about that.
Yeah.
Good fab work to fit these subcode areas of this car.
Oh, this is a Jakar build.
Okay.
And the doors were John Chu.
Okay. They look really good. I looked at it earlier. Wow. Yeah. It's crazy. Look at this. To fit the code area.
Yeah.
Man, that's awesome. Is the amp in the back open? Can I check that out?
Hey, how do you open the trunk? How do you open the trunk?
Man.
How you doing? Can I get? There we go. That's enough to see it.
Yeah. Pull the seat forward.
Seat forward.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. He needs a key. Should have given him a light. Wow. That's a monster. Man. It's amazing that you were able to fit 18s in that. Did a good job. What is this amp wired to? 0.5. 0.5? Okay. All the lithium's hidden in a beauty panel.
Where did you do
Okay.
this one? I took the wrong key.
Nice. Wow. So who built this? You did a good job. That's awesome, man. You did awesome. And you actually built into the vehicle right here? That's part of the cubes?
That's the
Nice job, man. Wish you could show me. Hey, you can show me.
I want to put two.
Yeah, yeah. Can I see right here? Can I open this?
Yeah.
I just wanted to see how close you built
Oh,
it
I
in.
haven't finished this yet.
And you can see how much you fab worked into it. Wow. That's how you fit 418s. Woo. Good job. Thank you for showing me, man. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah.
It surprised a lot of people.
It's just a good job.
More the grime. KD on the board. I see you, boy. Doing 60s and touching titties. It's DJ Rustical. This shit is just so ignorant. So fucking yeah. VIP bottles all on my table. My niggas with me, we sippin' up. I got magic,
As I look around, they don't do it like my click, 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 click.
To love him, I wanna fuck out.
Yeah, that's a demo monster. Flashing everything. Maybe like tears come out my eyes. It's pretty impressive.
This thing got an attitude problem, though.
Did a really good job with the bill. Wow, nice. Man.